Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
Face to face fire.
Yesterday evening, exactly 7:30 p.m. at the evening time, one of our Amotekun's commandant from Brapa North, he called us and he told us that there's army and custom are continuing to destroy Igogo, Brapa North. And immediately effect, we have called our commandant from the states, and our state commandant told us to go and rescue them. As we are going along the road, we have met them, and we are continuing to spray to shoot us, and we are returning our own back. But our commandant is not among us by that time. He come from their own place. So that is why he met them at the comprehensive area. Immediately he met them. He continued to shoot. That is why our commandant has been died exactly 8 o'clock yesterday evening. So that's the end.